Error preventing the Anti-Malware Scan Interface (DLL) from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. This DLL file is the Windows Antimalware Scan Interface library. It allows applications to send data to the installed antivirus solution for scanning, protecting the system against fileless malware and malicious scripts in real time. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore the Anti-Malware Scan Interface DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Anti-Malware Scan Interface file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Installing an unverified version of the Anti-Malware Scan Interface DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for the Anti-Malware Scan Interface. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the Windows OS core error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.